This is pretty cool. So this is there's a bridge now that goes to Hong Kong, right? It wasn't here a year ago. So here's this little thing that says Hong Kong and Zhuhai straight ahead. So just go down that way. And there's the bridge, Pont, Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau terminal. That's crazy. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. See, I was kind of wandering around this part of Macau that I never really walk around, and I didn't realize there was like this many tall buildings everywhere around here. And then there's this bridge right here that goes, it's like labeled with a big sign, Hong Kong. It's incredible, Hong Kong, Zhuhai. So basically we're just gonna walk straight down this way, and then we're gonna see if we can catch, there's a bus I'm looking for. But yeah, I did not expect to see that sign like that. So yeah, it's crazy. Right now, like the bridge just maybe was built about a year ago. It's basically for buses, it's not really for cars. But I think some cars can get a special license, need it for Hong Kong to use that. And then once you have it, you can go back and forth. But I think it's very, very expensive. They're trying to discourage, common use of it. So you can't just drive across without, getting license plates for both sides. But yeah, anyways, Hong Kong. It's unbelievable that Macau is connected to Hong Kong by a bridge. And right now it's COVID-19, so things are kind of locked up. So there's no way to get over there right now, which is also interesting as well. And we're gonna probably close this in a minute, but I just thought that was kind of interesting. And then you get to see this other side of Macau. And we're just going to focus on this park for a minute. And yeah, it looks like this park is closed right now. And then but we're just gonna close it in this area. So yep, this is the part that connects to Hong Kong. Let's follow this road right here. It says Taipa, and there's a little airport. So you can do also the Taipa one, and then you can also do Pont, Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau. So right there's the sign right there. I don't know if you can see that in this one right here, but and apparently the bridge would go down that way. I have seen it. I mean, I've been on it through the bus, but yeah, this is really interesting though. This is a part of Macau I don't really walk around much at all. This is like kind of there's a lot of different areas of Macau, and some of them are more accessible than others depending on where you currently live. And where I live, it's way down there near Taipa. So this is all something kind of unique and different. So yeah, even they have Daiso here, Daiso and Royal Market. So yeah, pretty cool. And I was just thinking about that, like they should have more of these like Portuguese tiled floors too. So yeah, this is this Royal Supermarket. I don't want to bring the camera in, but basically that's what it looks like. These are everywhere. It's just a big chain, so there's a big chain of them everywhere. So I won't film in that space, but those are basically like a chain everywhere in Macau. Big park. And I think what we're gonna do is just walk down a little bit further. And yeah, so basically that I heard that well, right now it's COVID-19, so nobody can get to Hong Kong, so it's basically closed at the moment. Gathering, I've been seeing that chain everywhere too. Don't know what, looks like an ice cream shop called The Gathering. Let's just kind of see what kind of shops we have around here. I've just never walked around here. Bonton. It's like a kind of a cool place. It's like a barbecue place. Okay, let's see. These are bus routes. So those are the buses that go different places. And yeah, pretty interesting. I like how they have this big rooftop above us. Yeah, I don't think I've never walked down the street. It looks like they're building something over there on that side, but I couldn't tell you what that is. Galaxy Macau staff shuttle bus. Taiwan for tea. So I guess they must pick up employees maybe at the border and bring them back down. Yeah, this is all kinds of different stuff I've just never walked down before. Never seen this before. There's a nice car right there. La Bahia de Norte. Okay, Era Preta. So that's actually a name of a neighborhood. They call it Era Preta. So I guess this is Era Preta. I should just walk down this way. Yeah. Era Preta. So we're gonna keep on walking down that way, and I believe straight ahead that would go to I guess we're gonna find out. Huh. But there's like basically nice bike. Basically there's another big marketplace. It's in Mui. Okay. So basically if you are down by sorry, I keep stopping. I don't know if this is Zhuhai or if this is going to be the bridge that goes to Hong Kong. So a lot of people waiting out front in this restaurant. It's K-Beauty, Korean Beauty. Yep, Korean Beauty. Beauty shop. Okay. So yeah, this is really interesting. Can't really get a good sense of where we are. But it's called Era Preta, so I have to look it up on a map and just kind of see where it was that I'm at. It did say straight ahead is Hong Kong, so I imagine that the ocean is over this way and that we would overlook Hong Kong if we get down there far enough. Wow, look at all these tall buildings everywhere. Here's a katsu noodles. It's pretty cool too. That's just kind of a wall of apartments there. Amazing. Look at all these apartments here. Another shop. So okay, this is Era Preta. I guess we'll just conclude it there, but we know Era Preta, there's signs that say to go to Hong Kong, so I'm assuming that this is near the Hong Kong bridge. But I'll look it up on a map and I'll put it up there, and it's called Era Preta. And I think this is about as cool as we can get, like right here among all these tall, super tall buildings and all these shops everywhere. Oh, there's a real estate agency over there. I should probably look up different real estate agencies and just, have them show me around. It'd be amazing to see some of this stuff. Anyways, let's end this right here. Okay, that right there, that little globe building right there, that's the that's kind of like the big building where all the bus terminals meet. So they'll drop off people in taxis, and there's parking garage there, and then they'll take everybody across this bridge right here. So that's the bridge that they'll go across. They kind of go across like an island that's man-made, and then they hit this one spot and they get in the bus, and it goes through immigration. You gotta go through immigration before. Then you jump on the bus and then you're over on the Hong Kong side. But all that stuff is closed right now, so. But yeah, we're basically at that location. So, and I guess this area is called Era Preta, and I think that must be all the Zhuhai side over there, all those lights across that, whatever that is. And then this is the road that goes to Hong Kong, the bridge. So yeah, hopefully someday you can take some buses where you don't have to go to that spot over there. It's hard to get over there, by the way. So there are buses that go there, but not from all over the city. You have to get to that spot first. Anyways, that's it right there. That's how you go to Hong Kong. And there's a sign right there. It says, I don't know if you can see it, but there's one that says Taipan Airport. So you got to go that way for Taipan Airport. And then that one is Hong Kong. It says, pretty cool. Wouldn't have seen that a year ago, you know? Okay, I can't quite conclude it without this spot because I'm still in the same place walking around. And this is this massive place, Era Preta. And then over there is that bridge. So that's definitely too high. That's definitely the bridge right over there that goes to Hong Kong. There's a little park. People can walk along this park. I see them everywhere exercising and stretching and doing all kinds of stuff. And then this whole park where a lot of these residences, they all live up in these big places over here. And they just kind of enjoy. So you can ride bikes, walk dogs, exercise in the middle there. So yeah, pretty cool little spot. Era Preta. Era Preta is the name of this area. I definitely will have to come by and explore in a lot more detail because I have not really explored much at all in this area. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.